Hello dear friends, welcome to your YouTube channel. Today I am going to speak about the educational degree. So let's start. These are the course and full form of educational degree. BSc Bachelor of Science, BSc Bachelor of Software Engineer, BBM Bachelor of Business Management, B.E. Bachelor of Engineering, B.A. Bachelor of Arts, Med Master of Education, B.J. Bachelor of Journalism, B.Tech Bachelor of Technology, M.D. Doctor of Medicine, MSc, Ag Master of Science in Agriculture, M.S. Master of Science, B. Pharma Bachelor of Pharmacy, DL. ITT Doctor of Literature, DCA Diploma in Computer Allocation, MIS Management Information System, EEE Electrical and Electronic Engineering, IPCC Integrated Professional Competence Course. C.S. Computer Science, PGDM Postgraduate Diploma in Management, PhD Doctor of Philosophy, MBBS Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, BMS Bachelor of Management Studies, BDS Bachelor of Dental Surgery, BCom Bachelor of Commerce, C.A. Chartered Accountant, CFA Chartered Financial Analyst, B.E.D. Bachelor of Education, BSM Bachelor of Sports Management, BMC Bachelor of Mass Communication, LLB Bachelor of Laws, PGT Postgraduate Teacher, CSE Computer Science and Engineering, M.A. Master of Arts, LLM Master of Laws, M.M. Master of Music, B.Ph.I.L. Bachelor of Philosophy, M.Com Master of Commerce, B.A.R.C.H. Bachelor of Architecture. If you want to watch videos like this, please subscribe, share, and like the videos. Thank you.